is strength. Long ago, 4 cows lived in a beautiful village. They lived a bond made of friendship and harmony. They were always a team and did everything together. They loved one another and always had each other's back. Fearing their unity, no other animal in the village bothered the gang. 4 of them went to the forest every morning in search of food. On one such day, the king of the forest, the lion, laid its eyes on the cows. It was wondering to itself, saying,
"Good Lord, these cows look delicious. Given a chance, there will be no escaping me from them."
And so the lion was eagerly waiting for a day to make a meal out of the cows. One morning, the cows were grazing as usually, and the lion wanted to make the best use of that opening. It pounced on them in one go, but the cows sensed the attack real quick and fought back. The lion did not stand a chance in front of the strength of the 4 cows and ran for its life. A fox was watching all of these from not so far away. The lion was badly injured from the fight with the cows. It did not expect such strength from an animal like a cow. It was thinking to itself, saying,
Holy Moses, are they strong? They beat me up into pulp. Those merciless creatures. The pain might just kill me.
The fox came to pay a visit to the injured lion. It looked at the lion. "Is that you, my lord? My heart sinks seeing you like this. This is as bad as it can get. If the king of the forest can be put through such pain, what about the safety of the rest of creatures in the forest? Those cows ganged up against you and they need to pay a price for it. I think I might just have the right plan for you." The lion heard him but did not have the spirits for an act of revenge. But the fox knew that the lion needed a strong push. It began to say, "You need to understand me, my lord. Those cows cannot breathe another day. They think they are invincible, but they are not. United they win, but divided they fall." The fox's words did wonders on the lion as it roared with vigor. On one of those days, the fox found one of the cows lying alone and jumped in joy. It went to the cow and said, "Hello there, mighty creature. Stories about the valor and muscle of your race are echoing in the forest. You are the talk of the town, except there is this thing." The cow frowned as it asked,
What is it?
"Well, it is just that I heard one of your friends trashing you, saying you are the dummy of the gang. They were telling everybody that you do nothing but eat and sleep. I felt bad and I thought you should know." It was not pleasant to the cow. The fox played the same trick on the other cows too. The cows gave in the fox's words. They began to trust each other less with each day. They hurt each other and ended up all alone. The lion, who waited for a day like this, took its revenge. It ate one cow after the other with an evil laugh on its face. The fox lived off the leftovers and was happy too. So children, this is why it is said that united you win and divided you fall. Stick up for your friends and see how great you are when you are united.